Hey, how's it going? It's Jason Eichmiller from the Mortgage Easy Button, and right now I'm going to teach you very quickly how you can get cheaper title insurance for your home in the great state of Florida. And cheap is always good. And anyway, nobody wants to pay for title insurance, let's be real. But first, if you like this sort of stuff, if you like to learn about how you can get not only cheap title insurance, but how you can get the best and most affordable mortgage that you can possibly get, go ahead and hit subscribe for this channel. I don't put up a ton of videos, but when I do, I want it to be content like that, educational and actionable. Secondly, if you have any questions about this or any other mortgage related topic, feel free to give me a shout at 888-309-9705, or you can email me at jason@keyhomelending.com. So all right, enough of that stuff. Let's teach you for a second how you can get cheaper title insurance in Florida. And this only works, this specific strategy only works in Florida, although we do help folks in other states like California, Maryland, Colorado, New Jersey, probably forgetting a couple, but we help folks in a bunch of states. So anyway, what you're going to do if you're refinancing your home, odds are it's very likely that you got an owner's title policy, okay? So what you need to do is go on your computer or in that desk drawer or somewhere in the garage and break out your owner's title policy. Now you might say, Jason, I don't feel like doing this. I've got to look in 3 drawers, but trust me, it'll be worth it. What you're going to do is get your owner's title policy, and then you'll call me or any other mortgage broker that you're working with. And again, this is for refinances, this isn't for purchases, but you'll call your mortgage broker. You're going to say, hey, guess what? Jason, I got my mortgage, owner's title policy. What do I do with it? I'll say, send it to me. What I do is I share it with my title company. And in the great state of Florida, if you have an owner's policy, you get something called a reissue rate with your new title insurance. So they're not going to charge you, they'll still charge you a little bit of money because that's how the world works, but they're not going to charge you a ton of cash. And I'll give you a perfect example. So I closed a loan this morning for an awesome couple, Sharon and Anthony, and they were refinancing their second home, and they originally purchased and got their title policy way back in 2002, 19 years ago. But Sharon found it. She had to put some effort into it, but she found her owner's title policy. Well, just by giving that to me and having me pass it over to Gabby, the title girl, what they were able to do is they saved just about $800 on their title policy. That means, and they were cashing out on their secondary residence, they got $800 more than they would have gotten before. I think that's a pretty good deal to go through some drawers or to check your files. So anyway, that's the whole secret. It's not very complicated. Just find your owner's title policy, shoot it over to your loan officer. Now, if you work with any competent mortgage broker, especially in the state of Florida, we'll know about this strategy and we'll tell you what to do. But if you're working for one of the big chop shops or like one of those big call centers like Rocket Mortgage or one of those others, like big banks, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, their loan originators, especially if they're in a call center in another state, they probably won't know to tell you how to do that. And you can't trust your title company to ask. So you got to be proactive. You got to know your rights. And one of them is, if you own a house and you can break out that owner's title policy, use it, save some cash. Maybe buy me a beer. I don't know. Anyway, so that. It's super easy to do. Definitely do it when it comes to refinancing. And if you are looking to refinance or purchase or look into a reverse mortgage for yourself or for your parents, then I'd be more than happy to help. My name is Jason, run this channel, and I also own Key Home Lending. And I'd be more than happy to help. My phone number is 888-309-9705. Again, 888-309-9705. And my email is jason@keyhomelending.com. Just shoot me an email, give me a call, and let me know what you're looking to do. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll do my very best to help. All right. Well, thanks so much. I appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you need anything, feel free to give me a holler. Take care.